You want to take notes during the course to make sure the information stays fresh in your mind. Always remember cryptocurrency is an investment.
How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoins are actually generated by computers online by dealing with difficult math tasks and is more widely known as Bitcoin mining. The math tasks in the Bitcoin mining are programmed to progressively increase in difficulty. This means it'll become more and more difficult to mine Bitcoins over time, and the total amount of Bitcoins that will ever be mined is capped at 21 million coins. Hence, because of this very unique arrangement, no central bank has control over the flow of Bitcoins or can manipulate its value, which is already in circulation. All the computers in the network are coded to be used to monitor and verify the validity of each Bitcoin that is mined and all the transactions between users. Around 25 new Bitcoins are mined every 10 minutes.
In Wenatchee, Washington State, and I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but it just struck me when I walked into this room with 1,800 servers just humming at full pace. It was extraordinary to see visually.
Was it like a warehouse?
It was a warehouse, yeah, it was a warehouse. Just
not underground.
No, not underground, no, but
joke.
Extremely close to a substation, which is what makes it particularly profitable because the energy doesn't have to travel that far to get to it.
What kind of a screen? Sorry, Tyler, go ahead, man.
No, why did it look so sort of improvised and hastily put together? I mean, it did not look like a beautiful IBM installation.
No, it certainly didn't. So it's not actually improvised. This is his third one, and he thinks he's finally gotten the configuration right.
Is he the miner? Is he the miner?
Absolutely. It's his company. He keeps the coins. Actually, he sells the coins so he can buy more servers to reinvest. We're talking about Malachi Salcido, who we see there. But he's an electrician and did 3 iterations before he felt he got the proper fan controls correct to keep the temperature at the perfect level, so that way all of those machines run 24/7 with almost zero downtime, which is incredibly hard to achieve.
While you were there, did he hit any blocks? Did he hit? I mean, could he see? Boom! Because about a Bitcoin, a block of Bitcoin is released about every 10 minutes.
Yep.
So and then everybody's kind of working together in this ledger, getting block. How many is he getting a day? Is there days where he doesn't get any? Like, is this paying off for him?
No, he says he gets 5 to 7 per day. He's trying to get up to 50 per day by July because he's going to add a lot more electrical power. He's going to get to 42 megawatts. He's only at 7.5 megawatts.
Which is why more and more Bitcoin miners are building powerful computers just for the use of Bitcoin mining. Bitcoins can be bought, sold, or traded with real money in a lot of online exchanges. One of the biggest advantages of Bitcoins and digital currency is that it can be used in international transactions without any bank charges or exchange rates, and the fees are so small, it's almost negligible.
This type of headline pertaining to cryptocurrency is becoming more common in recent months and years. You must be careful which software cryptocurrency platform you use. At the time this course was created, cryptocurrency was not regulated. We see cryptocurrency headlines all the time in the financial news feeds. Predictions on what the crypto market may do in the future is big news based on who is making the predictions. Here a CEO is predicting that a certain cryptocurrency will become the people's choice because the price is more affordable. Each week we upload a new video until all 12 lessons are uploaded. We will then begin a new course on cryptocurrency. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.